What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Rory with Forward Trucking. So guys, I've been having this issue right here. So this is the bottom radiator hose, the bottom coolant reservoir hose. It's been leaking. As you can see, you see the residue of the coolant. Now that the truck has been sitting, it's cold, I can pinpoint where it's leaking from, which is here. But while I was running on the road, these are the signs that I've been seeing. The splashing of the residue of the coolant all over here. So guys, today I'm gonna replace this hose. This is the new hose right here. So what do you need? Siphon hose, vice grip, and flat point screwdriver. I'm gonna remove the coolant reservoir cap. The chuck is cold, so I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna use this siphon hose to drain it into this clean bucket here. So I'm gonna jump up on the truck to do that, and I'm gonna show you guys when it's drained, and then after it's drained, I'm gonna attempt to remove this hose right here, which I think is the one that is leaking. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna be able to get out all of the coolant from the reservoir, but I removed the clamp. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bung this end of the hose that has to connect here. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this first and then put the new hose on, where I'm gonna put this at the end. You understand? And I'm likewise gonna have to stop this end too, so let's see how it works out. The new hose is on. Both clamps are buttoned up, so I replaced the clamp and used two identical clamps. So this is the next clamp here, right here. So it is just as identical as this one. So basically, I removed these all clamps with the ears. So I removed these clamps, and yeah, it was leaking somewhere along here in the rubber. So I didn't have to drain the coolant from the radiator. I just drained it from the reservoir. I took out as much as I could from the reservoir. So in order to do this, guys, you have to have two people. So my brother gave me a hand with the hose. You guys already seen how I cap off one end of the hose and then slide it on here, and then after I cap it, I put on the next end on here. So my brother helped me with that, and just like that, we're back to refilling the reservoir. I have one full bottle of coolant to top it off, so it's just hanging around minimum. So I'm gonna fill it up. Hopefully this bottle can do it, because I only got one left. This was the one that I was carrying around in the truck as a spare in the event that I need to add coolant. So I'm gonna use it to top it off, because when I removed the hose, some of it got away, you know. So let's get it in there. Make sure you have one of this, and We're about to fill it up. Alright, so it's between max and minimum. I'm gonna put just a little left, the little in the bottle that is left in the reservoir. So the coolant level is sitting right between max and minimum. I'm out of coolant, but the next thing to do is start the chuck. The next thing to do is to put the cap on first. Put the cap on first. Clean this up. Cap is on. Start the chuck. The level is gonna drop once the chuck start and it's running, and the coolant thermostat open up. Once that open up, the level of the coolant will drop from the reservoir, and then all you have to do is just refill between the max and the minimum. You know, you just gotta refill to the operated range, and that's about it. That's how I fixed my coolant leak today. You know, thanks to the help of my brother. He helped me with the hose. So that's about it, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tune in to further checking. Until then, guys, I'm out.